Welcome to our comparison video, where we delve into two popular security systems from ZOSI, the 3K Lite and the H.265 plus 1080p. In today's world, ensuring the safety of our homes and businesses is paramount, and having the right surveillance system can make all the difference. We'll explore their features, including AI detection capabilities, night vision performance, and overall value for money. Let's find out which system wins in this head-to-head battle. When it comes to pricing, the ZOSI 3K Lite system is priced at $199.99, making it a higher investment for consumers looking for an all-in-one solution. In contrast, the ZOSI H.265 plus 1080p system is significantly more affordable at $129.99, providing an excellent option for budget-conscious buyers. However, it's important to note that the H.265 Plus system does not include a hard drive, which adds to the overall cost if you need to purchase one separately. The ZOSI 3K Lite comes with a pre-installed 1 TB hard drive, allowing users to start recording immediately without any additional purchases. This is a significant advantage for those who want a plug-and-play experience. On the other hand, the ZOSI H.265 Plus system does not include any storage, meaning users must purchase and install a compatible hard drive separately, which can be a drawback for some. In terms of DVR capabilities, the ZOSI 3K Lite features an 8-channel 3K Lite HD TV DVR, which supports higher resolution inputs, making it a great choice for future upgrades. Meanwhile, the ZOSI H.265 Plus system utilizes an 8-channel 5 megapixels Lite DVR, which, while offering slightly better future-proofing, operates at a lower frame rate for 5 megapixels cameras. This difference could impact the fluidity of video playback when using higher resolution cameras. In conclusion, both the ZOSI 3K Lite and the ZOSI H.265 plus 1080p systems offer valuable features for home security. The 3K Lite system is ideal for those seeking a comprehensive, ready-to-use solution with included storage, while the H.265 Plus system is perfect for budget-conscious consumers willing to invest in their own storage. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.